Say hi. Say hi to the camera. You're not going to say hi to the camera today? We're in Hoover Dam.
You're doing it too fast. Remember you messed up?
Wait.
And you didn't even get
Deborah. Say hi to Ricky. Cheryl.
Hi. I'm going to say hi to Ricky for he ain't going to see it.
Oh, he can.
Hi, Ricky.
Okay.
See that you'll never see this.
Yes, he will. Harry Jr., you stop that. This is Hoover Dam. The day is February the 24th. This is 1992. We're standing in Arizona. And as we look across the bridge and cross the Colorado River, we're looking over into Nevada.
Polluted.
No.
I thought.
This is the natural water coming out of the Colorado River. That is the Colorado River.
But I thought water that was not polluted was crystal clear white. Where'd I get that idea from?
Well, you're right. The water that's not polluted is crystal clear water. But then you have sediment and dirt on the bottom that when the river flows, it picks it up sometimes.
This water being recycled, though, huh?
Yes.
Oh, look, that's Harry.
Do this here.
Huh?
Welcome to Hoover Dam. This is the whole layout.
Harry Jr. is going down steps. Along with Deborah and Cheryl. That's where the water goes. Huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
See, that's what we just went and where we're...
Oh, how pretty.
This is the Colorado River as it comes in to Hoover Dam. No, Harry Jr. Stand here, Harry Jr. This is Hoover Dam from the top. Hoover Dam from the top. To the bottom. Okay.
But I thought
It's Colorado River. As the water rushes through, it was formed by water running through a stream, giving you the magnitude of what a tiny stream can do. Running over a continuous amount
I just showed you, man.
of area
Keep on going.
all the way through.
Green and pretty. See it?
It's green.
That one is so green.
I want to see
It's
Daddy.
the prettiest green
I
I've
see
ever
that.
seen.
Okay, just a moment.
Well, I bet that's some deep stuff, huh? Won't you tell how deep it is?
If I knew, I would.
I like the way it's running right there.
Right now, we're standing on the Arizona side, as depicted by the clock. And just momentarily, as I walk across the bridge, which is across this area here, you'll see where I go to. As you can see here, you can see
All the people down
where
there. Down there.
the water, which is here, is generating electricity. If you look closely, you'll see the electricity from its origin, and you'll see the line, if you can see, going straight up to the electric poles, sending electricity on across America. Not only on this side, but on the other side as well.
The white and green.
Remember moments ago, I showed you the time in Arizona. If you look now, you'll see we're in Nevada, and you'll see the Nevada time. This is Lake Mead. What's the matter, Harry J? What's wrong? What's the matter? Huh? You don't like looking at Lake Mead? What's the matter, son? Okay, now you're on top of my head. You feel better? Huh?
What is it? A train. I mean, what you call it? Plane. What you call it? It's not red.
I don't know. This is beautiful.
Look,
Lake
look at
Mead.
look, eating the corn right there.
Hmm?
See it eating the corn? See the thing eating the corn? Chipmunk eating the corn? A squirrel over there? What is that, Harry?
Hmm?
What is that eating the corn?
Squirrel.
You see him eating the corn? There's another one down there. There's a bunch of them coming up the hill, see? They're coming up here. Where'd they go? They're coming over here helping eat the corn.
This is April 1st.